Problem 21. We want to compute the mean using the frequency distribution table. So if we have the table and we want to compute the mean, we use this formula, the sum of the midpoint multiply the frequency divided by the sum of the frequency. So for the bottom number, we have the frequency, sum of the frequency. We already have the frequency, so we just have to add this up, and we got the answer is 50. This is the sum of the frequency. So the bottom number is 50. On the top, we need to have frequency multiply the midpoint. We need to have midpoint, and we don't have midpoint yet. So we need to create a table for the midpoint. So one more column for the midpoint. Now we look at the class. To find the midpoint, we add 0 and 9 and divide it by 2. So 0 plus 9 is 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. We round the number to 5. So the midpoint of the first class is 5. The second class from 0 to 19, we add them up and divide it by 2. So we get 29 divided by 2. So we get 14.5 and we round, so that will be 15. Now we continue to doing that. So 25, 35, and the class 1 is 45. Then we need to multiply the top, we need to multiply the midpoint and the frequency together. So midpoint times the frequency. So the midpoint is 5 and the frequency is 13. So 5 times 13. The midpoint is 15, the frequency is 7. So 15 times 7. 25 times 10. 35 times 9. And 45 times 11. So you get the answer for each of them, and then you add this up to find the total, the sum. That will give us 1,230. And then we divide, and we will get the answer is 24.6.